Do you want to transform your body in just 4 weeks? It's no secret that regular exercise is key to achieving a fit and toned physique. But what if we told you that with just 5 exercises you could kickstart this transformation? That's right. These top 5 exercises are your ticket to a healthier, stronger you. They're simple, effective, and can be done anywhere. By consistently performing these exercises, you can achieve your fitness goals. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your fitness transformation? Start with jumping jacks, an effective full-body workout. To perform this exercise, stand tall, then jump while spreading your legs shoulder-width apart and swinging your arms up overhead. Jump back to your starting position, bringing your arms back to your sides. This dynamic movement not only burns calories but also enhances your cardiovascular health, boosting your heart rate and promoting better blood circulation. The beauty of jumping jacks lies in their simplicity and efficiency. Remember, the key to jumping jacks is maintaining a steady rhythm. Next, we have push-ups, a great exercise for upper body strength. To do a proper push-up, begin in a high plank position. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, keeping your back flat and your elbows tucked close to your body. Then push back up. Common mistakes include flaring the elbows out and arching the back. Push-ups are fantastic for strengthening the chest and shoulder muscles, not to mention, they also engage your core. Push-ups are challenging, but they are incredibly beneficial for building upper body strength. Moving on to lunges, an excellent exercise for your lower body. To correctly perform lunges, start by standing tall, then step forward with one foot until your front knee is bent at a 90-degree angle, while your back knee hovers just above the ground. Push back up to standing and repeat with the other leg. Lunges are a powerhouse for strengthening your legs and glutes. They also improve your balance and coordination. Lunges can be tough, but they are worth the effort for stronger legs and improved balance. Now let's focus on planks, a core strengthening exercise. To hold a proper plank, position yourself face down, elbows under shoulders, and toes tucked. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. This is not just about your abs. It's a full-body workout that helps build strength and stability. It's also a phenomenal posture corrector. Regular planks can realign your spine, preventing slouching. Planks may seem simple, but they are one of the most effective exercises for a strong core. Finally, we have burpees, a high-intensity, full-body exercise. To execute them, begin in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a push-up position, do a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands. Stand up and leap into the air. Burpees are stellar for burning calories and enhancing cardiovascular fitness. They work your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs all at once. Burpees are tough, but remember, they are one of the best exercises for overall fitness. And there you have it, 5 exercises to transform your body in just 4 weeks. From the heart-pumping action of jumping jacks, the strength-building prowess of push-ups, the lower body focus of lunges, the core-strengthening challenge of planks, to the full-body workout of burpees. The key lies in consistency and maintaining proper form throughout. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. So, start these exercises today and build your way to a healthier you.